What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Elusive, and we're back with another video. You know what day it is. It is Sunday, so we're going to the lights. Sorry if I sound like I have been sick for the past, I'd say, about a week now, and I still feel like I feel good enough to go out now. I can breathe again. Yeah, it was bad. I had the little, I had the bronchitis showing that, so see, I'm fucking, yeah, I had bronchitis. I got it treated now somewhat. I just still have kind of the after cough and whatever, and such and such. But first, we need to go to AutoZone because our seat tab, the little plastic piece to it, is busted, and yeah, we just need to get that figured out. So we're gonna do that first. So we're gonna run in here, get a little quick fix up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna Loctite that motherfucker. Perfect. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot. I might have to, I'm gonna take the windbreaker off. Show you a little bit of trigger. So if you're wondering what the problem is, there's a plastic piece that's supposed to hook on into here that holds your tab to your fender. Well, it looks like that piece snapped and it is gone. So it's always fun. So a little trick, get a little Loctite. Come on, bastard. There we go. Got a little bit of that. Got a little bit of Loctite on there. Should be enough. Quickly close that up. Take your little tab, go from underneath, hook it on there. Yeah, your Loctite. I go with blue Loctite. I wouldn't do red, because if you do red, that motherfucker. Now, me, I got a little bit of fragile fingers in my right arm, from, as you have heard before, my accident. So what I gotta do is I gotta make sure I give it an extra twist if I can. So, we out here. We had the windbreaker on, but it was just making me sweat, dude. I probably should sweat, since, like I said, I've been feeling like saying we should be good, real good on gas. Oh yeah, that seat screw is in there, boys. Damn, I got my little tan going on. Got my Mexican bag. Alright, well, we're gonna head towards the light. So we'll see y'all when we get there. It's fucking windy, bud. What's up, dog? Oh yeah, play some Big X. Hey. Ah, come on. She fighting me now. Let's get her a little warm, I know, yeah? God damn it. Come here, bitch. Whew. First job of the day. Oh shit!
But stay on the throttle. Don't let off. Once you learn how to let off and let off the brake, let off the gas to play around, you know. But right now, just give her the beans. The brake, once you give her the beans, just get her straight. If anything, just clutch in and you're right.
And then sit like this, right?
I told you. Yeah, like I told you. And try to stand up because sitting down is a little harder when turning. Once you get it, burning out. So as soon as you get it burning out, right, you walk in here, right, and start still burning out. Let off the brake a little bit, and then put your other feet up and put all your weight to the front. And try to go forward. After you got it, I promise you.
Fuck. Oh, well, there go my keys.
It's not like you're going fast as fuck anyways, so just trust yourself. You got it.
Yeah.
You jank it. You spread it out. And remember, slow it down. Just hold the fuck out of that brake. And once you hold it hard, even more bust and slowing it out. And out. Go slow.
It's close.
Over and over again, you're gonna get the feel. Trust me, in due time. In due time, look. Once you, at first, I promise you, scary. Trust me, scary.
It's standing up that made me nervous, but like you said, as soon as I stood up, like I understand what you're saying.
Once you stand up, you got more control of the bike, you got more control of the brake. That's when you want to give it a little bit of ease.
That's what I just did now. But as soon as I did, the wind blew me and I said, oh fuck.
Yeah, like I told you, just practice.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well that concludes today's vlog. We got a little bit of practice in. We didn't get, you know, too crazy with it. We got a little bit of progress or whatnot. And yeah, for the most part it was all fun and dandy. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of today's video. If you enjoyed it and you're new to the channel, please go ahead and leave a subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And if you're riding out there, I hope that you are safe and, you know, have a good day. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.